Let's do that. Let's capture like the energy of this thing. Oh, it's not bad for sketching. Okay. Okay. And then we'll do this. We'll cut. Because it's in water, right? So it kind of makes sense for it to be like cut. Oh yeah. So it's not just a... I want to add like a gray value. Just like a base. There you go. Do you see that shadow? It runs across like the eye. Make it blacker. Make this cut it, kind of like that. Yeah, I want to ignore like the details for now. Mainly like the spike things. Oh, this thing looks like a freaking dragon. Am I right or am I right? Yeah, this top is kind of light. A kind of ball, rounded head. Wait, should I draw that? Nah, I'll just get this guy like a darker value instead of adding the background. I'll just use like a darker sort of line or value to show off that edge. Oh, see, I was trying to do like the skin details. That's not important right now. Okay, then we'll actually do this, and then we'll show where the spikes are. Is that? Make it like a lighter gray. And we're all doing this in like black and white, and that's pretty cool. Oh, it's actually kind of like this. It cuts. Let me just cut everything. Oh, haircut. Oh, I want to make this a little lighter. The way there, all the way to Havana. What? Yeah, the beak is kind of more square-ish, kind of like that. Okay, now we're adding a little bit of the horns, the spike things here. Yeah, we're going for the impressionistic look, meaning we're not zooming in. We're just seeing things from the far view. Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna draw the silhouette of these like horns. Oh, the ball is more bally. Oh, it's a little bit off center to the eye, kind of like this. Oh, I know. We'll hit liquify. We'll bring this face a little bit. Make the brush a little smaller. I'll just go back to B. Wrong brush. Lighter value. Show off this nose. Another bit of shadow. Oh yeah. I want to draw the edge and make it a little darker. Still draw with this brush, meaning you can make it kind of small. And it would still like make some decent strokes with it. Yeah, I want to make this not too black, because it was just like a placeholder for the silhouette, like where the shape is, and then I add in like the value. Is that a bad sketch? Nope. I'm proud of it. I'm based. Alpha male. I want to make this a little grayer. I don't know, because I'm not sure what dinosaur is this or what it's called, but let's make this horn a little more obvious. So there's like a big horn there. Okay, I think everything else is like detailing at this point, so whatever. Yeah, I'll stop the sketch here. Oh my god. Oh, it's zoomed out, zoomed in. Yeah, this guy, I guess, makes it into the painterly kind of realm. Look at that. Oh. And because it's a rake brush, you can like automatically, just by stamping it, you can make like reptilian texture-y stuff with it. Let's make the brush a little smaller. And then, oh, it's over.